Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. SOS look like it's going up, recovery from the big 10% down. So I'm looking for it to go down. And I think kind of the round number will be a good place, maybe a little bit lower. Okay, so if it's going up, that's good. That's even better for me. I always love to see a stock going a bit over what should have been, what should have been my entrance, and then crashing. It's better for the chance reward, and I move my stop to the entrance. Okay, so can I get partial one? Look at that. That's an amazing one. Come on. Where are you going? And I'm out. I can't believe it. Just 1 cent away. 1 cent away from my partial one. Oh, amazing. That's a depressing part, Sometimes missing it by an inch. After that look at the jump, I would have lost my pants there. Okay, so I did look for one more trade. More trades. And again, you can see SFTW kind of bouncing. It's just about to do the reversal on the VWAP, which is amazing. And what I will do, look for the breakdown. So I want to see it breaking the VWAP. I'm already putting partial 1, partial 2. You can always hope. But once I got partial 1 and partial 2, the only thing I need to handle is kind of the stop. So it's good for me. I don't need to make sure that I'm taking profit as well, because the profit is already set up to the system. So it's just making sure that you don't lose in, which is good. See the volume? It's building. That's like saying, please let me in for the reversal going up. Now I'm 30% up. Can't really ask for a lot more. It continued. I dropped the case, by the way. If you didn't saw, I cleared it all up. But it's still looking good. I'm kind of going back, and I want to see this trade failed. I don't know why, because it's feeling like it's not supposed to continue up. Just my personal feeling. So I'm taking 40 cents stop here. Doesn't happen a lot, and I did. Okay. Come on, give me like 70, 65-ish, 60, so I can move my stop to the entrance. I already cut my loss a bit. Okay, to the 10 cents, and that's a really bad start. Don't go that way. Seeing a trade flip the moment you enter, devastating sometimes, but part of the game, right? Come on, don't make me leave in a few seconds. Just a bit more volume, just a bit. Look at that, 75. I'm looking at the time and sell 70. 55, that was a crash, and the stop is in the entrance. Don't do that again. 2 cents away from my stop, from my partial 1. What the hell is going on today? Give me my partial 1. Don't make it a second miss for a few cents. Look at that, 13.53. It's kinda 2 cents. I'm 51. Come on. You need to acknowledge sometimes it's depressing. If I'm going to lose this trade as well, with 2 cents for the partial 1, I want to scream. It's gonna, what the hell? Now it's building up again. Somehow I'm thinking that I'm going to leave this trade soon. I don't know why. Come on. Leave the view up and crash. And I'm out. Depressing again. 2 in 1 day. Almost. Gonna miss trade. It's kind of depressing. 2 cents away. The second one, 2 cents away. I finished with $2 loss, which is pretty much the commission. But look at that. 2 cents away. Depressing. So that will be my last trade for today. I'm not going to do anything anymore. I might lose here, I might not, but it's kind of, come on. If I'm getting 30 in a day, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. Again, the same setup. I'm looking for the view up failure. It's kind of weird that all 3 of them looking the same, but okay. If I'm going to get partial one of them, I will be happy. Let's see if the view up will fail, and maybe it will jump. Kind of sad for the guys that are going to the reversal here, because he's saying, oh, that's amazing reversal, look at that, look at the candle, the little red candle, kind of stopping there. You want to enter. If it's going above this candle, that's kind of sure setup to go in. And then losing, it's kind of depressing as hell. Look at that. I would have entered, no doubt. And look at that. And there's the crash. And I'm in. You see, I would have lost my pants here if I would continue with the natural reversal kind of thing. That's a crash, and can I get partial one? I'm moving my stop, by the way, in a second to the entrance, of course. Don't do that. Don't do that 3 times in a day. Don't do that. Kinda leave me in the same place 3 times a day. I can't really handle it. Thank you. I got partial one. So first of all, I'm not doing the same problem 3 times a day, which is kind of can kill me, basically. And I'm going to finish this day green, so no complaints. And it doesn't really matter if it's going to be 10, 15, 20, 30 bucks profit. My risk, by the way, is 60, so it's kind of half a risk level, which is amazing. But it's going to be green. I'm going to finish here after this trade. I'm going to be near the... Whoa, that was a crash. Beautiful crash. Partial 2. Not yet. Okay, move my stop a bit lower into the money. Sorry, I jumped a bit with my thinking. So 30 bucks is kind of half a risk level, so it's just a matter of how much you're going to risk for a trade. And the way that I'm looking at it is, if you're going to lose small, at least once in a while you're going to have a big full home run. And if you have a full run, that's going to clear up everything and make you profitable. So I'm just, as you're seeing, I'm looking at my stop, basically. That's what I care about. Where is my stop? When do I leave the trade? And yeah, depressing to have... I got partial 2. Amazing. It's depressing to get 2 trades pull out in my entrance. But that's the way I'm making sure that my account will live. That's the way I'm making sure that I'm getting profit. Because this one will probably clear up like 2-3 failures. And it doesn't require a lot. Look at that. It's like 2 partials basically moved like a buck, maybe less. And that's all I need. Can depend on the stock, of course, but it's kind of, sometimes that's more than enough to get everything. I don't like this candle, the reversal candle that started. If it's continue above, I'm going to leave the trade, close the computer, and say thank you. I want to see it fail, but if it's, and it doesn't seem like it's going to fail. Yeah, and I'm out. Okay, so this is finally worked. I got $160 profit, all I can ask. And look at that, it's almost a perfect one. It did move a bit lower and then jump. Couldn't ask for more. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.